Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Yay! Let's go, baby! Got a body down here? No, I mean, oh shoot, this is YouTube. That's a trash bag. Oh, they did not look happy. Yeah, buddy! And I was just talking to this guy for a while. Bro, you broke my zip tie. You kidding me? I'm still saying Chinese stuff is bad, bro. Like, it's ugly. You ain't got a nice mustache. You ain't got the hair growing out. Get your ugly face out of here, man. We're full sending on Chinese. Pitbike Adventures 15. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. We haven't even been out here forever. So, well, there's a truck. Yeah, so I bent the front rim. That's not good, but yeah, somehow it happened. Never tightened the spokes on this thing. So, yeah, that's probably why it happened. I forgot this area is really sketchy now. Dude, I haven't even been on the Taotown forever. They haven't really gotten a whole lot new done around here, but yeah, it's kind of muddy in here. I'll watch the Taotown later or something. That's my favorite little like bunny hop jump. So I fixed the exhaust. Actually, you know, I should probably show you all this. Oh yeah, breather thing, I just ran a zip tie and put this in there because it was shooting up gas on me. Exhaust, I fixed this mount so it doesn't really move, and I fixed that. Drilled holes in the side of here. Put some zip ties because my plastic kept on flipping up and stuff. Let's go check out and around here because I haven't in a while. Oh shoot, forgot about that. Oh, they put a bunch of junk here. Dang it, man. Yeah, I got new bars. I put on the Pro Taper grips, like for here, on my wish list. I'm hoping I can get those for Christmas. Dude, the grip right here is literally trash. Look at this. That one side right there, that's so bad on the end. Jeez, bro, we're full sending down this hill. And yeah, man, this is literally the perfect weather. It's December and it's like, I don't know, 60 something here. So there's some people, wave at them. I'll tell you what, we'll go over this way. I haven't been back here. They did not look happy. We're just full sending on that Chinese though. So what do you expect? Actually, it feels good to full send on this thing again. It's been a while since I've actually, you know, been around here. So dude, I'm not messing around at all. I'm full sending this thing. Let's get on here. Oh god, dude, it's so bumpy. This is where I broke my rear shock that one time. I can see why. Look at this. I'm so glad I'm wearing these really nice boots. There's the little highway. Got a body down here. I mean, oh shoot, this is YouTube. That's a trash bag. Let's go right here. Are you seeing this? Oh my goodness, bro. Did you see that? That probably doesn't even look bumpy at all on camera, but holy cow. I just made it up all of that and I was just full sending and I didn't wipe out. Dude, look at that. Look at the sun going through the clouds. You can see the entire like town from here. It's crazy. So I don't really know what I'm doing in this episode, guys. I'm just riding around checking on all the old areas. I remember coming back here once. Yeah, I don't really know. Oh shoot. Yeah, so new handlebars coming. Dude, this grip sucks. I can feel my hand like sliding around on it. New handlebars coming in, new grips I hope for Christmas. That's all a man needs, dude. Oh. Hey, checking the junkyards. Let's see if they added anything. I don't think they have. Since then, oh no, the old people. The forbidden old people. Where should I turn around? I don't really know, but I could go talk to them or something. I don't know. Let's go right here. I don't want to like make a... I feel like they're always mad at me, those people. Like every single time I come out and do a Pitbike Adventures or ride, they're like out here walking. Like I'm not saying that in a bad way. It's good that they're out here walking and stuff. They're out here walking, I'm out here riding, we're having a good time, we're chilling. Yo, let's check up on these houses though. Dude, this is like a really nice area now, honestly. Like this whole road's smooth, you got the stuff on the sides, man, they're getting it ready out here. They got this all flattened out. Oh, check those ruts though. They got this whole area just flattened out, ready for houses. I remember this used to be like so weird and all. Oh, man, they actually have made a lot of progress over here. Check out all that stuff over there and everything behind me. Let's take this sidewalk. Dude, I am beating up on this thing today. Like, check that out, man. And y'all still saying Chinese stuff is bad, bro. Like, get your face out of here. I don't want to see it. It's ugly. You ain't got a nice mustache. You ain't got the hair growing out. Get your ugly face out of here, man. We're full sending on Chinese. My man with that Kubota. Let's go, baby. I mean, John Deere's are good too, but I got a Kubota tractor. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. This thing is fun and the perfect weather out here. Like, let's go. Dude, I've almost had this thing. I think I've had this thing for like 10 months or something. It's crazy. And this thing's still lasting me. There's like hardly any problems with this thing. You know, like there's a few things you gotta work on here, this and that, but I'm out here full sending. Yo, free center blocks, bro. I'd take every single one of those. Put them towards something. Dude, has somebody else been up here? Those ain't my tracks. Right now it's 68 with this really nice breeze and it's cloudy, man. This is great. Perfect weather for the summer in Texas. Alright, sun's going down. And I was just talking to this guy for a while, so I was just talking to that guy for a while, like probably like 10 or 15 minutes, and he was super nice. We just talked about all the trails and stuff. He likes to walk his dogs, so I think he said his name was like Barney. It was either Barney or Barley, I don't know. I already forgotten. I literally asked him twice. I should have got it on film, but he was super nice. So we're gonna head back soon. It's getting dark, but dude, it's so much fun out here. Let's take. I want to get on the road again. Dude, like everyone's out walking now that everyone's on Christmas break and stuff. Riding their bikes, straight chilling, you know. But yeah, that was cool. That guy was really chill, and he was like, I think he lives somewhere out here in one of some of the newer houses. He just walks his dogs a lot and stuff. So yeah, dude, this place is so muddy over here. Going down this oh, into the muddy section. Hill climbs. Okay, my shifting bad, my shifting bad. Let's check out this Kubota though. And I'd love to have one of these, build myself a track or something. You know, that would be sick. But they are so expensive, man. These are so much. Dude, they really have finished all the houses in here. It's so crazy. Like, I remember riding through here a while ago, but let's 180 this boy. They're really shooting us up out here. I'm not even gonna lie, I literally started riding like a year ago, in December. I'm such a better rider now. Like, I just gotta put that out there. Like, I'm going faster on this Tao than I would on the KX like a while ago. You know, now if I get on the KX now, I'm full ripping. But like, dude, I'm full sending it on this thing and I ain't afraid. And I'm just ripping it, you know. And it's going. Hey! Alright, he's coming in. Hey! Let's go, baby! Oh my goodness, dude. So much fun. Yay! Let's go, baby! Dude, why is my clutch lever like above the freaking, it's like that. I just kind of noticed that. I'm like, why is my hand getting kind of tired so fast? Why? No, not the bike. Well, that sucked. Come on, buddy. Don't do me dirty. Oh, I need a new gas cap. Well, my knee hurts, but that's about it. Plastic's still on, that's a good sign, but it's loose. Bro, you broke my zip tie. You kidding me? Alright. Well, nothing else is broken, I guess. Well, guys, that's it for Pitbike Adventures 15. Trying to hit that imaginary fist. Yeah, man, it was fun. We've been full sending it. Well, I'm Bataha, and I'll see y'all in the next one, man. The Towtow's not gonna sit for another month. I promise you that. Hey, there's my dog. What's going on, man?